Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Netflix. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page, you click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.